Can this rusty, broken-down 1967 Ford Mustang, left to rot in the harsh, icy wilderness, ever roar back to life? Today, we're taking on the impossible, using cutting-edge tools and some AI magic to restore this classic beauty. Stick around for the jaw-dropping transformation. From rust to road ready, this Mustang has officially reclaimed its glory. What do you think of the transformation? Let us know in the comments. And don't miss our next project. It's an even bigger challenge you won't want to miss. Hit that subscribe button and join us on Rebuilder for more epic restorations in icy extremes.